What is a model? Let's find out. A model is a simplified version of reality we create to better understand a specific problem. Perhaps this is easier to see in the natural sciences. This is a glass of water. Well, a picture of it. I can drink the water. If you do chemistry, you may use a model like this or this. They're not water. I can't drink them. They're a simplified version of water, molecules. And we use them because they are incredibly useful for understanding and predicting how this liquid behaves when we mix it with something else, for example. If you use a regression model in the social sciences, it's the same, a radical simplification that is useful for understanding human behavior in a specific context. We reduce people to variables like age and gender, and we reduce how people see the world to a question in a survey, for example. We do this because at this level of abstraction, we can see patterns that let us understand the world.